Earlier this year, I bought a new ThinkPad that supports Thunderbolt 4, and in order to connect it to my monitors, I needed a new docking station. In this video, I'm going to share my experience using Lenovo ThinkPad Universal Thunderbolt 4 docking station to connect it to a couple of monitors and various USB peripheral devices.
Considering that you're watching this video, you're probably also interested in various USB devices, and if you want to improve your engineering skills, have a look at the project directory by our sponsor PCBWay. There's so many interesting projects out there. PCBWay are specialized in high-quality printed circuit board manufacturing. Furthermore, they also offer additional services such as PCB assembly, CNC and 3D printing. Visit PCBWay.com to learn more. Inside the box, there is a Thunderbolt 4 dock, power adapter, Thunderbolt 4 cable, and some leaflets for information about setup and warranty. Let's have a closer look at the dock. On the top, there is a power button. On the front, there is a USB-C connector and a USB Type-A connector. There's also an audio jack for adding a headset. On the back, there are 3 USB Type-A ports, Ethernet port, 1 HDMI, and 2 display ports. There are 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, one of which is to connect the computer. There is also a port for plugging in the power adapter that is coming with the Thunderbolt 4 Universal dock. The bottom part of this ThinkPad Universal Thunderbolt 4 dock is red, and it contains some information about the exact model, brand, serial number, and so on. According to the advertisement, the main benefit of this universal dock is that you need a single Thunderbolt cable to take your productivity to new heights. Well, I'm sure this has been written by the marketing team at Lenovo, and it's not exactly technically right because you still need a bunch of cables to connect your peripherals to the dock. Thanks to Thunderbolt 4, the data transfer rates are up to 40 gigabits per second. You can connect either a single 8K display or up to 4 4K displays. You can connect an external display with a Thunderbolt cable or a USB-C cable. You can connect up to 2 4K monitors this way. Combined with the additional HDMI and display ports, that makes up to 4 4K external monitors. In terms of dimensions, ThinkPad Universal Thunderbolt 4 dock is 22 by 8 centimeters. It weighs less than half a kilogram. It comes with 135 watts slim top power adapter and an appropriate power cord. In my personal opinion, the power adapter is a little bit bulky. Here is the exact model if you're interested in.
This looks like a USB-C cable, but actually it is something far more sophisticated. This is Thunderbolt 4 cable, which means that it supports significantly higher data transfers, but it is also significantly more expensive.
The cable is 70 centimeters long. There is a mark to note this is a Thunderbolt cable and not a regular USB-C cable. Thunderbolt technology is a cable connection interface developed by Intel over the last decade. This technology also offers high-speed PCI Express bus, which allows external upgrades of your laptop. Now comes my favorite part of each video, wiring. And thanks to the magic of video editing, we can speed up this process and you can see the whole wiring in a few seconds. As you can see, I'm connecting my laptop, which is Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Yoga, to the Lenovo ThinkPad Thunderbolt 4 Universal dock. I'm connecting 2 very basic HDMI monitors, one of which is connected to the HDMI port and the other one is using a DisplayPort adapter to be connected to one of the display ports available on the dock. I'm using a wireless mouse and a couple of mechanical keyboards. The bigger one is a 10 keyless keyboard from Ducky, and the other one is one of my Anavi macro pads. These are open source hardware mechanical keyboards that I create on my own. Of course, I'm also plugging a LAN cable into the Ethernet port of the dock for faster connectivity. Last but not least, and actually mandatory, I have to plug in the power supply that's coming with the dock. Finally, when the whole wiring is ready, I have to press the button on the top of the dock to turn on the computer, and in a few seconds my laptop will be booted with the external monitors and all peripheral devices that I've just wired.
My desk setup is straightforward and relatively old-fashioned. Therefore, I have to admit I'm not using the full potential neither of Thunderbolt 4 nor of the ThinkPad Universal Thunderbolt 4 docking station.
If you have watched some of my other videos, you know that I'm an open source enthusiast and I run Linux on my laptop. I'm particularly using Ubuntu long-term support versions, and here you can see how Ubuntu is booting on the laptop and the docking station with the 2 monitors and all other peripherals that are attached to the dock. Nowadays there's so many drivers integrated in the Linux kernel, so I didn't have to install anything additional to get the dock working on my Ubuntu. Of course, you can use this dock with Microsoft Windows. I don't want to be advocating for Linux in this video, but I have to say that Ubuntu worked out of the box with this dock without any issues.
I have been using Lenovo ThinkPad Thunderbolt 4 Universal Dock Station for several months. I have to say that it's a great device and it does perfect job for me. However, the only disadvantage that I would like to share with you is that there are not so many USB ports. I would like to see more ports on the next generation of this type of universal docking station. The other disadvantage is the high price of Thunderbolt 4 devices and docking stations in general. I hope that over time the prices will go down and these gadgets will become more affordable. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay tuned for new videos.